So here are two different kinds of ball marks. The first one, as you can see, it might be kind of hard to see on the camera there, but you can see how the ball is rolling into an indentation. The skin, I call it, of the green has not been broken. So in this case, when we fix this kind of ball mark, it's okay to simply insert the divot tool and lift up slightly. You don't want to break the skin if the skin isn't already broken. Again, I refer to skin as the canopy of the turf. So simply raised the low area, the skin is not broken, nice and flat. You come back over the top of that with your putter just a few times and it's all fixed. The second kind of ball mark is more aggressive. The skin, as I say, has been broken, as you can see here. So to properly fix this ball mark, it's very important that you stick the divot repair tool at a 45-degree angle on the upside of the divot, on the tufted edge of the ball mark, and simply press in. 45-degree angle, press in. 45-degree angle, press in. Do that 4 or 5 times, and that's as good as we can expect for a divot of that kind of severity. It's very important that we don't stick the divot repair tool in and pull up when the skin of the green has been broken. That's a common mistake made by most folks.